Alright, hey, this is Hans.
And this is Kit.
And this is the Chocolate Break. Well, it's been a while.
It has.
It's been
a few
weeks. We had to do that first one that made up for the one that didn't get posted. And there was another one and another one and another one. So I'd say it's been at least probably about 3.5 weeks.
Really?
It's been a chocolate break.
That's definitely a chocolate break.
Yeah, and seeing as we have no more recorded, it's time to do a little mini sesh. A little sesh.
Some chocolate.
Have some chocolate.
Chocolate sesh.
Chocolate sesh, yeah. So I will give you a surface for your chocolating and the stage over to you.
Okay. Going with, from Canada, the Nestle Aero Dark Cherry Truffle Chocolate.
That sounds good.
Yeah, cherry and chocolate's usually pretty safe bet.
Yeah, I totally agree. Truffle though, I'm wondering if it's gonna be like, oh, what was that one we had recently? The lava cake, which it was just like so sugary you couldn't even tell. I'm curious how it'll be.
Might be, I don't know. It says it's milk chocolate center with dark chocolate shell and cherry flavor. Milk chocolate truffle filling.
Well,
let's see.
Oh my, that's
it smells
bumpy.
good.
Ooh! I smell cherry and chocolate.
Yeah.
Wow.
It smells really good. That's kind of odd though.
That's trippy looking. Yeah, definitely a lot different than the other one.
Boop.
Oh. Boober cha cha. That one's yours?
Sure. And I guess you can kind of see the little air bubbles, and then there's cherry.
Weird.
I don't know what the deal is with the air bubbles though.
It's Aero. It's aerodynamic and Aero-y.
It's just weird.
Can't really see
it almost
in this
makes it
piece.
look like the chocolate has some kind of disease or something.
It's sick chocolate.
It's got all the little bubbles in it.
Well, let's try it.
Okay.
Chin chin, my love.
It's pretty good.
That's rad. I feel like I've just been whisked off to a magical place. Like there used to be
flavor or the texture or both?
Both. There's this old commercial for Dairy Queen. I just had this blown out background, but it had like these big mountains of chocolate. Do you know the one I'm talking about?
No.
And then there'd be like rivers of fudge going through it and all this crazy business. That took me there. 5 stars from me. I liked that a lot. Yeah.
I'm gonna go with 4.
Okay.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, I want more of that. I want a lot more of it. But I think one thing I really like about it is it's not... I mean, it's sweet as all get out, but it's not heavy. It's light, and I think that's the air bubble thing happening.
Yeah.
It's good.
And I think it's good because it's not all dark or all milk, so I think it kind of balances it out. And then the cherry flavor, I was afraid was going to be like that really disgusting, it almost has kind of like an alcohol kind of cherry flavor to it because of how strong it smelled, but it was not bad.
Yeah. Cool.
Good.
Alright, well let's see. I as well have something from up north. I have a Canadian confection myself. What say you to that, lady? Hey, I have the coffee crisp. It's a nice light snack. I've seen commercials for this. See, I grew up in Anacortes, and you can hop on a ferry and go to Canada from there. So we also got all the Canadian TV channels, and they would, to no end, play coffee crisp TV commercials. A lot of flu and allergy commercials too. I used to just call them the Canadian pain commercials. It's like all you do in Canada is you get flu and allergy. It's like,
everybody always has the flu or allergies
in Canada. Yeah,
Canada.
That's the curse because it's such a beautiful land.
And they make such nice light snacks like coffee crisp.
Yeah. Well, I suppose I should open it and we shall. Yeah, that's kind of the easiest way to the imbibe. I don't know. Have you tried the coffee crisp?
I think so. I don't like coffee though.
Yeah.
I don't really recall liking it. I don't know that it was something that I really hated either.
Well, it's not too far of a stretch from liking something and hating it, you know, so. Oh, wait, yeah, it kind of is.
It is. But usually if it's something I really hate, then I'll be like, no, I remember I hate that. Or if I really liked it, you know, then I'd be like, ooh. It smells coffee.
Oh, yeah. It's like a, you know, actually I should rotate it this way. Because I have the sword of Kaleth, Batleth.
Do you use the same side every time?
Kapla! I don't know. Kapla! Yarr. It is seasoning my blade with the blood of chocolate. I'm guessing you're gonna want the smaller piece.
Yeah. It's broken.
Oh, you have to take both sides.
Then I'll just take this.
That's the Christmas. What is that?
It's all powdery.
It's because I...
No, I mean like the inside, like it's like
It's a wafer.
yeah, but it looks like it's all crystallized.
Wafer thin. Cheers.
It's actually not bad. It smells way more like coffee than it tastes like coffee.
Yeah, and I think they tasted more like coffee in the past. Would you recognize it as a nice light snack?
No.
I don't really think of candy as a snack. A snack portends to being perhaps 25% of a meal, doesn't it?
I don't know.
Or maybe like a bag of peanuts.
Bag of peanuts, a few crackers,
Yeah.
but not a chocolate bar.
No, definitely not.
It's actually pretty good though.
What would you score it?
I'll give it a 3.5.
That's reasonable.
Yeah.
You know, about 8 months ago, I would have given this thing a 5, but the newness wore off. I was like really stoked to go to Canada all the time because there's coffee crisp up there. I'm just not so crazy about it anymore.
Because you had too many of them?
Yeah, I'm gonna give it a 4. It's still amazing, but it's just not.
It's
Not doing it for me.
a little more dense than like a Kit Kat.
Yeah. Well.
Well.
Until next time, we'll. You know, whatever they do, they do. They keep doing it when we're not here.
Yeah.
But you know, they should pay attention. You know, those shed spread country crock commercials.
Brummel and Brown.
Brummel and Brown.
Move over butter.
Move over butter. All right.
All right then.
Have a good one.
Bye.
Bye.